in last demo, we have seen the analytical model for the WIS transaction is ready to consume in this demo, and we are going to forecast the WIS sustainability metric for the system manager, such as the WIS volume and the greenhouse gas emission, and also the financial metrics of the WIS for the financial manager, Bob, in this case. And then we will forecast the metrics here for the next 12 months with the help of the SAP Federation Machine Learning in combination with Amazon SageMaker to run the machine learning for the time series forecast, and without moving the data outside of the Datasphere to replicate to the Amazon AWS here. And before we perform the time series forecast, we'll need to do some setup in the Datasphere in order to allow the machine learning library to assess this analytical model in this case. So we are going to create a technical database user on our space. I already have done so. And then you'll need to note down the schema, the space schema, and then the database user, and then the host, and then you need to have a request the password and note down the password, which will be using in the configuration of the Federation Learning Library Jupyter Notebook. And then also you will need to grant the read access to the space schema for the database user here. Therefore, the machine learning library, Federation Machine Library, can retrieve the WIS transaction data from this analytical model, which is located on the space schema. In addition, we will need to have the right admission for this database user as well, which allow the database user from SAP Federation Machine Library to write back the forecast result to the open schema, and later on we'll be using for the system manager and then the financial manager join above to forecast the system metrics and financial metrics of the WIS in the analytics. All right, so as we said, we're going to having the machine learning part running on Amazon SageMaker together with the SAP Federation Machine Learning. To do so, I already have provisioned one Amazon SageMaker instance on my Amazon console. And then I also have created one Jupyter Notebook instance, and then I have prepared the coding and opening in the Jupyter Lab. So you need to having at least two files. One is the configuration, as we have seen, where you having the connection information such as the host, the Datasphere, username, password, and so on and so forth.